Because of this scratch, you should not completely paint the car this way, it will be like the first day. First, smooth the edges of the scratch with a knife. Then sand the inside and the edge with 500 grit sandpaper. In the next step, we fill the scratch completely with the appropriate color of the car in 3 steps with a bank card. We dry it with a hairdryer and then we smooth and even the color with 2500 grit sandpaper, and in the final step, we finish the job with polishing. Be sure to watch the before and after video at the end and subscribe to the channel.